हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम इन अद्वैत एजुकेशन चैनल। आज हम 7th स्टैंडर्ड का प्रैक्टिस सेट 21 सॉल्व करने वाले। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एंगल ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Means angle ACD is exterior angle. The measure of angle A and B are equal. Measurements of angle A and B are equal, and measure of angle ACD is equal to 140, and you can find the measure of angle A and B. See, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle. This is given. Angle ACD is exterior angle of triangle ACB. And see, angle A and B are remote interior angles. And they are equal. Suppose measure angle A is equal to measure angle B is equal to x. Angle A और B को हम x consider करेंगे. Now measure angle ACD is equal to measure angle A plus measure angle B, because this is our property. Exterior angle is equal to addition of remote interior angles. Means A and B की addition is equal to exterior angle ACD. Now you can put the values. ACD is given 140 degree. एंगल A और B को हमने A and B को x कंसिडर किया है, x plus x. 140 is equal to x plus x 2x 140. This x is 2 is multiply is equal to साइन के अपोजिट साइड आएगा तो देन डिवाइड. मीन्स 140 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 is equal to x. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, and this 0 as it is. Means x is equal to 70 degree. Therefore measure angle A is equal to measure angle B is equal to 70 degree. Because for A and B we consider as a x. Hence measure angle A is equal to 70 degree and measure angle B is equal to 7. Question number 2. Using the measures of the angles given in the figure alongside, find the measures of the remaining 3 angles. See, in this figure, this angle is 8y, this is 4y, and this is 6y. Angle measurement is given, and you can find the remaining 3 angles measurement. From figure, measure angle AOB, means this angle, is equal to measure angle EOD, this angle. This angle and this angle are opposite angles. You can write down angle AOB is equal to angle EOD is equal to 8y, and the reason is opposite angles. And now see, angle FOD means this angle from downside. This angle means the addition of angle FOE, this angle, plus angle EOD, this angle, plus angle DOC, this angle. Means this FOC means the measurement of 1, 2, 3. All these 3 angles addition. Now you can put the values. See, angle FOC. This is linear pair angle. Means this angle is 180 degree. This angle is 4y plus angle EOD is equal to 8y. Because of this reason, opposite angle, plus angle DOC, this is given 6y. 4y plus 8y plus 6y means 18y. Now this 18 is multiply here is equal to sign के opposite side आ जाएगा, then divide हो जाएगा. Means 180 divided by 18 is equal to y. 18 1s are 18, 18 1s are 18, this 0 as it is. Means y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 degree. Now you can put the value of y in 8y, 4y and 6y. Angle AOB is equal to angle AOB is equal to angle EOD, opposite angles, 8y. Means this angle is also 8y, 8 into 10. Answer is 80 degree. Second, DOC means this angle opposite to this angle AOF. This angle is XY, 6y, sorry, means this angle is also 6y. 6 into 10 means 60. And last angle FOE. FOE. Their opposite angle is BOC. Means this angle is 4y. This angle is also 4y because opposite angles. And 4 into 10 means 40 degree. Third question. In the isosceles triangle ABC, angle A and angle B are equal. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. The measure of angle ACD and ACB is equal to 3x minus 17 degree and 8x plus 10 degree respectively. Find the measure of angle ACB and ACD. Also find the measure of angle A and B. See, for this question, diagram is not given. First, we have to draw the diagram. And that triangle is isosceles triangle, and that name of that triangle is ABC. And ACD is your exterior angle. This is your diagram. This is triangle ABC. Angle ACD is exterior angle. This angle is given 8x plus 10 degree. And this angle is given 3x minus 17 degree. And you can find the measure of angle A and B. This question is similarly like question number 1. See, angle ACD and angle ACB means this and this angle, angles in a linear pair. And all of you know the angles in a linear pair, their addition is 180 degree. That's why measure angle ACB plus measure angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. Now you have to put the values. 3x minus 17 plus 8x plus 10 is equal to 180 degree. 3x plus 8x 11x plus minus means your answer is minus 7 is equal to this 180 as it is. 11x is equal to this 7 is plus, it goes on opposite side, then plus 7. 180 plus 7 is equal to 187. X is equal to 187 divided by 11 means x is equal to 17 degree. The value of x is equal to 17 degree. Now you have to put this value in these two equations. Means measure angle ACB is equal to 3x minus 17. 3, value of x is 17 minus 17. 17 is 51 minus 17 is equal to 34 degree. And second, measure angle ACD is equal to 8x plus 10. 8, value of x is equal to 17 plus 10. 17 8s are 136 plus 10 means 146 degree. Now you have to find the measure of angle A and B. All of you know the angle ACD is equal to means exterior angle is equal to addition of remote interior angles. Means angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Angle ACD is 146 degree. 146 is equal to angle A plus angle A. Why I am writing angle A plus angle A? Because angle A and B are equal. This is given. Angle A is equal to angle B. This is given. That's why I am writing B angle के लिए मैंने again I have wrote angle A. 146 is equal to A plus A 2A. This 2 will get divided here means 146 divided by 2 is equal to measure angle A means measure angle A is equal to 73 degree. 73 degree. Therefore, measure angle A is equal to measure angle B is equal to 73 degree. At the last, you can write down the measures. Here we have find the measure of angle ACB and angle ACD, and angle A and B is equal to 73 degree. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.